welcome back to my channel. And today, me and my new baby are going to be making slime. So I have all the ingredients: glue, shaving foam, activator, colouring, and a mixing tool, and a bowl. So what we're going to do is just put her out the way a minute. While we do the main basics. So first of all, you're going to want to get your glue and tip it into your bowl. So I just want to tip mine into my bowl to make it really good. A lot of noise because I'm in the kitchen. But just by adding glue, it makes a whole big difference. So where I've added my glue, it looks like a piece of artwork. If I keep on mixing it round. It looks like a piece of artwork. And then you're just going to want to add in your colour. So I have like this violet purple. And it should make a really nice colour. So it is forming really well. And how it forms is just so good. And all you've done at the moment is mixed in your purple and your glue. And then it's going to start to look a bit runny, but then it will start to get together once you've added in your shaving foam. So next you're going to want to add in your shaving foam. Now I'm just going to add that in. And you need quite a bit of this. It depends how fluffy you want it to be. And then you're just going to want to mix that all in. So make it look as if it's fluffy. And fluffiness will make it look quite runny still but thick. But that's when you come in with your activator. And that's when it will start to form. And it will start to form in a really good way. And you're just going to want to keep mixing for a few minutes. It does take quite a bit of time. And then it looks quite runny. But the reason why you shave shaving foam is for the end. Because then you add more and it starts then coming together properly. So once it starts coming together properly and it's like coming off your spoon, you're then going to want to start mixing it in. And how you mix it in is just by using your hands. And if you need to, you just need to add more shaving foam. Which the shaving foam does take quite a bit of progress. But once it is added, it is really good. And it makes a really nice slimy texture. As you can see right here, it has made a really nice slime. So that is the really good part about it. So first of all, I'm gonna get it off my hands. And then I'm going to add some more shaving foam, as it needs quite a bit more. And you're just going to want to mix that again. It depends what activator you use by this. But the activator that I use, you only need a little bit. Because the main activator for it, for me, is shaving foam. Now, some of you probably have seen what activator I use, but some haven't, and I will not give it away. As much as it is in my video, I will not be speaking about my activator and what I use, but I can show you the form of the box when I get another one. But for now, you're just going to want to knead it, and it will take a couple of minutes. So just keep kneading until it's done. So I'm basically just going to add a teensy bit more, just as mine's still a bit runny. And you won't know by a spoon texture, because it normally likes to stick to the spoons anyway. I find though, if you use metal spoons, it reacts to the slime, and I don't know what happens, but I don't think anything happens. It just has a bit of a reaction to it. So that is all. So that is how you make slime. So I am now going to add this to my batch of slime I've already got. I'm just going to grab that. Now the batch of slime I already have, it is quite big. So you're going to have to bear with me when I go to mixing it, because it will take a bit of time to mix it in. But once it's all mixed, it will be really nice. I want to save it a little teensy bit. Can I save it? Oh, I can't save any now. But this slime that I made the other day, it's so freaking cool. But I want to make it that teensy wincy bit more purple. I don't think that was meant to happen, but okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is just a voucher. How do you get it to stay that colour? How much of this would you need for that colour? I don't know how much you would need for that colour, but I'm not going to add too much. Whoa, that's the whole point though. That's the whole point though on how I like my slime, see? But it does make it a lot more stickier. So I've got to blend it in with all the others and then sort my sleeve out. But it will come off of my sleeve if I use a sponge and soapy water. It tends to come off. I want to add some shaving foam. Right, there's that one that's probably nearly done. Let's see what I've got left in these two cans. What's in this one? Okay, nothing. What's in this one? Well, there's still some left in some. That is about enough. I'm shaving foam. Shaving foam is getting a little bit too much now. I think because the main ingredient that I use is shaving foam. And the shaving foam is probably the most important part that other people need. Because all you basically need to make slime is glue and shaving foam. It binds really well after that. And sometimes I don't even need activator. That's how well it binds together. Well, I am going to say, I hope you enjoyed our slime video, and we will see you in our next video. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you later. Bye!